Have you ever wondered what SQL can do? The Structured Query Language, or SQL as it is more commonly known, is a programming language that is used to communicate with and manipulate databases. But what exactly can it do? Let's delve deeper. Firstly, SQL has the capability to execute queries against a database. This is one of its most fundamental functions. It can ask the database intricate questions and get precise answers, all thanks to the power of its queries. Secondly, SQL can retrieve data from a database. Whether you need all the data or just a specific portion, SQL can fetch it for you. It's like having a personal librarian who knows exactly where every piece of information is kept. Thirdly, SQL can insert records in a database. This is akin to adding new books to the library. Every time new data needs to be added, SQL can do it swiftly and efficiently. Fourthly, SQL can update records in a database. Just as data can be added, it can also be updated. This means that if any information changes or needs to be modified, SQL can handle it. Fifthly, SQL has the power to delete records from a database. If data becomes obsolete or irrelevant, SQL can remove it to keep the database clean and efficient. But SQL's capabilities are not limited to just interacting with data. It can also create new databases. When a new storage space for data is needed, SQL can set it up. Similarly, SQL can create new tables in a database. These tables help in organizing data, making it easier to understand and use. Next, SQL can create stored procedures in a database. These are essentially saved SQL queries that can be reused. This way, common or repetitive tasks can be done faster and more efficiently. SQL also has the power to create views in a database. Views are essentially saved queries, but unlike stored procedures, they act like virtual tables and can be used in a similar way. Lastly, SQL can set permissions on tables, procedures, and views. This means that it can control who has access to what data, ensuring security and privacy. In summary, SQL is a powerful tool with a wide range of capabilities. It can execute queries, retrieve, insert, update, and delete data. It can create new databases, tables, stored procedures, and views, and it can manage permissions to ensure data security. So when it comes to managing and manipulating databases, SQL is truly a jack of all trades.